Good morning. So the chair has arrived and I'm so excited. I can't wait to see how it looks like. Yeah, the box is not too big, so it looks like it's a good size for the space. Yeah. I'm going to open it up in a minute and show you how it looks like. Hi guys, so the sofa is here. I'm so excited. I can't wait to open it. I was going to start opening it, but I was thinking when I saw it, I think I just showed you a little bit there, but I just saw a bit of it and I was so excited. It looks so pretty, but I was thinking, let me wait till I've set everything up again so you can all see it, because I think it's really pretty. So I'm going to set it up, and I'm not sure whether to vlog the setting up or should I just set it up and let you see it later when everything's all put together. So I'm going to make up my mind after this clip, and then so at the end when you watch the video you will know what I decided.